Welcome to Professional and Clear, your finance learning hub. Hi everyone, and welcome to Professional and Clear. My name is Nzayisenga Jean-Claude, and I'm passionate about making accounting, auditing, and finance understandable for everyone. Whether you're preparing for your CPA exams, working as a finance professional, or just interested in how money moves in organizations, this channel is designed with you in mind. We cover real-world topics like IFRS updates, internal audit procedures, financial reporting, and smart study tips for accounting certifications. Everything here is practical, clear, and straight to the point. No jargon, just knowledge you can apply immediately. So if you're ready to simplify complex finance concepts and stay ahead in your career, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a post. Join our growing community of learners and professionals here on Professional and Clear. Professional and Clear, simplifying finance for your success.